But wait, it's not even 25th December yet. So why am I wishing you Merry Christmas? That's because here in GMFDI, we celebrated the birth of Jesus Christ on 5th December, which is the actual day and time. 5th December, 3 a.m. in the morning. Let me explain this. Exodus chapter 3 says, the angels of the Lord appeared to Moses in flames of fire from within the bush, and from there spoke, God, I am who I am. And this same God has visited the Kukizhou people of India since May 2023, periodically, 55 times so far, not in the form of flames of fire in the bush, but in the person of a 35-year-old gentleman, named Robert, a born-again Christian, and has revealed so many secrets unknown to the world, which are not scripted in the Holy Bible. Deuteronomy 29:29 says, the sacred things belong to the Lord our God, and the things that are revealed to us belong to us and our children forever. He has visited our community 55 times already, and all the words he has spoken has been transcribed in the form of a book, Kiman, which is to say, I am referring to God. And on 5th December 2024, last year, the Lord spoke in Tadokuki, Tuni, 5th December, Nikhohi, Kiman, nang ho ta sa kahong vilnaw nikho chu ahi. Tuni miching mitim ho, puikhom dinga kavantil ka sol na nikho zong chu ahi. Kiman ta sa kahong ding nikho in ka sole Gabriel vantil ka solin, ahin tunin, nang hol hagawa kahong vil nikho hin vang. Gabriel vantil solovin, tunin Kiman ta nang ho koma kahongi. In English, it says, today, 5th December, is the day when I come in the flesh to visit mankind. And this is the same day when I send my angel to inform about my birth to the wise men and bring them together. But today, I am not using the angel Gabriel to inform you, but rather come myself in my spirit to tell you the exact day of my birth, which is 5th December. And this year, as believers at GMFDI, prepared to celebrate the first ever Christmas on the exact day of Jesus' birth, the Lord visited us again on 4th December at 2 p.m. and this is what he spoke among many other. Ahin tunin nang ho kipawin van mitel vantil teng ho to hicheni ho hi ama honjong naman piuwa hiche vanoi hado dinga kahung na nikho di ta 5th December naman pat now nikho masapen ahong hiding ta azen kipawin. Rejoice, for the heavenly hosts and angels will join you as you celebrate correctly my birth to save mankind. That is 5th December, and this is the first time when you celebrate it on the correct day. Ahin zing ko an naman diu hi athing ahin vewin zingka anidan pungthum hi chia kona vantil theng hole van mi theng ho keima e hlalel he uvin ehin la naw pung nidan cho hi bove vewin ama ho zong hung tawin tin hi che pung dana pat a hi nang ho nei na lem diu a hi. Tomorrow, which is 5th December, is a day which is holy. Behold, early morning, 3 o'clock, was when the angels and heavenly hosts bade me or sent me off with much pain, and that is the exact time when you must welcome me. Azechu hiche ni la hin hiche pungdana hi kalalto na van mun ka hindal ha nang ho dinga gan an kunga ka hung pen ani kho ni le apha chu hi Hiche van mi til van til theng hon. Ei ha ovin nang hon ki pa ta ni na lem diu a hi bo ve. And because this is the exact time when I left my heavenly throne to be born in the manger. And this is the time when the heavenly host and angel bade me goodbye. And this is the time when you must welcome me. Velvin hicheni kho chu keiman va choi na o buwa na su dim diu ai bo ve jing ni kho a keiman thagaw wa na lung sunguwa keima hung tang kate. Behold, tomorrow, which is 5th December, you must fill the day with praises, and I will come in my spirit into your heart. And so, we celebrated just as God instructed us here in GMFDI, Gospel Ministry for Disabilities India, which has taken care of the deaf, the dumb, the blind, people with different abilities of all types, lovingly for years together. And this is the place where the Lord God Almighty, the God I am who I am, has visited and chosen for his visitation to the Kukizo community. This is the place where healings happened to many sick and incurable illnesses. And this is the place where the evil forces and the demonic forces are bound and overcome, and people got deliverance from all forms of evil indulgence. And this is the place, GMFDI, where people from all tribes and denominations from Kukijo community come together and pray without ceasing daily for 828 days as we celebrate the first ever Christmas on the exact day of Christ's birth.